Welcome back to LittleAIMaster, where we don't just use AI, we learn to raise one. Today we're cracking open the most powerful AI device you own. It's not a lab computer, it's the thing sitting in your pocket right now. Rohan just got a puppy named Bruno, and Bruno will not sit still. Every photo comes out a blurry brown streak. Then his friend Emma says 4 words that fix everything: try portrait mode. Rohan taps it, and something strange happens next. The camera seems to follow Bruno around the screen. The second Bruno pauses, click, and the photo is perfect. Bruno is razor sharp, the messy living room behind him melts into a soft professional blur. Rohan didn't do that, so who did? That's where I come in. Hi, I'm Byte. And the answer to Rohan's mystery is one word. AI. Your phone detected Bruno's face, locked focus onto him, and blurred everything else all on its own. And that camera trick is just the beginning. Here's the big idea for today. Your smartphone isn't running one AI, it's running a whole team of them at the same time. One watches your camera. One watches your typing. One listens for your voice. One guards your lock screen. Most people never notice a single one. Inside LittleAIMaster, we map out exactly where these hide. Camera, keyboard, voice, and face. 4 everyday features you touch 100 times a day, each one secretly powered by AI that learned from millions of examples before it ever met you. Let's go back to Rohan's puppy. Portrait mode does 2 jobs. First, face detection. The AI scans the whole picture hunting for faces, and it's good enough to spot smiles, closed eyes, even a dog's face. Then it separates Bruno from the background and blurs only the background. Your camera has way more than that. Tap through in the app and you unlock them one by one. Face detection, portrait blur, night mode, photo search, scene recognition, and red eye removal. 6 little AI helpers, all riding along every time you press the shutter. Night mode is my favorite trick. In the dark, one photo is grainy and useless. So the AI quietly snaps several photos in a row and stacks them together, borrowing the bright bits from each. What comes out looks like one clear shot, but it was secretly built from many. Then there's scene recognition. Point at a pizza, and the AI thinks food and warms up the colors. Point at a sunset, and it thinks sky and boosts the oranges. It's quietly guessing what you're shooting and tuning the picture before you even see it. Now here's the deep mystery. Rohan later typed Bruno into his gallery and every puppy photo appeared instantly, but he never labeled them puppy. So how? The camera AI turns millions of pixels into clues. Shapes, edges, colors, patterns. Enough matching clues and it says with confidence, that's a dog. And this is the part I really want you to hold on to. The phone didn't just know what a dog looks like. It learned from many, many example photos of dogs and faces and scenes long before it ever met Bruno. It doesn't understand Bruno like you do. It matches patterns really, really well. Now flip your phone to the keyboard because this one is spooky. Every time you type, an AI is helping. Autocorrect fixes hello into hello. Predictive text guesses your next word before you touch it. Swipe typing reads the messy path your thumb traces and turns it into real words. Type the word good and your phone often suggests morning. Why? Because it learned common word patterns from millions of messages, plus your own habits. Notice something? That's the exact same idea as the camera. Find patterns and predict. One does it with pixels, the other with words. Rewind 15 years. On an old phone, you typed every letter slowly, spelling mistakes just stayed, and you scrolled forever to find one emoji. Today, you swipe whole words, autocorrect cleans up your mess, and the AI hands you the exact emoji you were reaching for. That gap is all AI. In the app, you actually sort them yourself. Drag each feature into the right bucket, old phone or smartphone with AI swipe to type. Smart. Type every letter carefully. Old. Doing it with your own hands is when it really clicks, and that's the whole point. Say 2 magic words, Hey Siri or Hey Google, and an AI assistant wakes up inside your phone. It can answer questions, set reminders, send texts, play music, and open apps all by voice. There's a real AI sitting there, waiting, listening just for its name. Here's what amazes kids the most. It understands you even with an accent, even if you mix two languages in one sentence. That's not luck. Modern voice AI was trained on millions of different voices, so a kid in Mumbai and a kid in Manchester can both just talk and be understood. I want to be straight with you. Your assistant doesn't truly understand words the way your best friend does. It converts your sound into patterns, matches them to things it learned, and picks the most likely meaning. Astonishingly clever, but still pattern matching, sped up millions of times. Now the coolest one. Your face is your password. Step 1, the AI maps thousands of points across your face: eyes, nose, mouth, the shape of your chin. Step 2, it builds a unique face signature that is only you. Step 3, it recognizes that signature every time you look. Let me hit you with the number that stops people cold. Face Unlock can map tens of thousands of points on your face in under half a second. That's enough detail to still know it's you when you change your hair, throw on glasses, or the lighting goes weird. Half a second. So could someone unlock your phone with a printed photo of you? Nope. The good systems use 3D mapping. They sense the real depth of your face, the way your nose sticks out and your eyes sit back. A flat photo has no depth, so the AI instantly knows it's a fake. Inside LittleAIMaster, there's a little lab where you become the phone's brain. Slide the light level up and down, slide how well the face matches, and watch the unlock confidence rise and fall. Good light, strong match, it opens. Dim and fuzzy, confidence drops and it stays locked. Time for the trap round, because here's a mistake grown-ups make. They think everything on a phone is AI. It isn't. The real skill isn't just knowing where AI lives, it's knowing where it doesn't. So let's test that instinct with a few quick rounds. Portrait mode blurring the background. AI, it's deciding what's the subject. Keyboard predicting your next word. AI face unlock recognizing you. AI even a smart battery learning when you usually charge, so it protects battery health. Yep, that's AI quietly studying your daily habits. Now the fakes. Volume buttons making sound louder? No AI, that's just changing a number. Charging when you plug in? Just electricity flowing. Flashlight turning on? It's an LED, a plain light bulb. No thinking, no learning, no patterns, just a switch doing exactly one job. So here's your forever test, the one I want you to carry out of this video. Ask 2 questions about any feature. Does it learn from examples? Does it make a smart guess it could get wrong? If yes and yes, that's AI. If it just does one fixed thing every time, it's not. Which explains something you've definitely felt. Why does autocorrect sometimes ruin your message? Because AI learns from patterns and then guesses, and guesses can be wrong. It's not broken and it's not too old. It's just not perfect yet. That imperfection is a normal, honest part of how AI works. Zoom out and you'll see the trick was the same every single time. Learn from tons of examples, find the pattern, make a confident guess. Camera, keyboard, voice, face, all the same recipe wearing 4 different costumes. Once you see that pattern, you can spot AI absolutely everywhere. Let's lock in the words so you sound like you know your stuff. Facial recognition, AI that identifies a person from their face. Autocorrect, AI that fixes your spelling as you type. Predictive text, AI that suggests your next word. Portrait mode, AI that blurs the background. 4 terms, yours now. If you followed all of that, you just earned something real. You now understand cameras, voice assistants, keyboards, and face unlock, 4 AI systems most adults use every day and can't explain. You can. That's not a small thing. That's genuinely being ahead of the room. But spotting AI is only step 1. The whole point of LittleAIMaster is that you go further. You actually raise your own AI, you feed it examples, watch it find patterns, and see it start making guesses, exactly like the systems hiding in your phone, except this one is yours. And you're not doing it alone. That's me, Byte. I'm your AI tutor inside the app, and I'll never just hand you the answer. I ask questions, drop hints, and help you figure it out, because you learning it beats me doing it every single time. This phone chapter is one stop on a huge journey map. You earn XP, unlock the next island, collect certificates, and watch your progress climb lesson after lesson. It turns learning AI into the kind of adventure you actually want to come back to tomorrow. Here's your mission before the next video. Pick up your phone and find one AI feature we talked about, then explain it to someone in your house. Camera, keyboard, voice, or face, your choice. Teaching it out loud is how you truly own it. Next time we leave the pocket and jump into video games to uncover how your opponents seem so clever. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and come raise your very own AI inside LittleAIMaster. Remember, don't just use AI, learn to raise one. See you in the next one.